Welcome to this tutorial on how to do Fidelity after-hours trading. After-hours trading allows you to buy and sell stocks outside of normal trading hours, giving you the chance to react to news or events that occur after the market closes. It is important to understand how it works and what you need to do to participate. First, ensure that your Fidelity account is set up for after-hours trading. You will need to check that your account is enabled for extended hours trading and that you meet any specific requirements set by Fidelity. Once that is confirmed, log into your Fidelity account. You can do this through their website or mobile app. Next, get familiar with the trading hours. Fidelity allows after-hours trading from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. During this period, you can place trades just like you would during regular hours. Keep in mind that after-hours trading has different risks and lower liquidity compared to regular trading, so be cautious about the orders you place. Finally, when you are ready to trade, look up the stock you want to buy or sell. Enter your order details and make sure to select the after-hours option if prompted. Review your order before submitting it to ensure everything is correct. Once you place your order, you will receive a confirmation, and you will be able to monitor its status. Always remember to stay informed about market conditions and potential price fluctuations that may occur during after-hours trading.